This one right here is super fun. Okay, like I was shown this the other day by actually like an offline friend of mine, and I'm like, bruh, I play HoloLive music like all the time. And he was like, yo, just check it out. So yeah, so I did, and it is absolutely a banger. Like check this out. This one's actually from Kiara, and I wanna play this one. So I am playing a HoloLive song for y'all instead of it being the other way around. Marco Meatball, what's up, dude? How you doing? Bro, killed it on the One Wing Day. Appreciate that. Let's do this. This song is actually so good, dude. Oh. Yo, Nolatar, thank you for the prime sub. Appreciate it. No idea, Smithy. Thank you, Nolatar. Taking me for the level rock on. Appreciate that very much. Welcome in, Golden Kid. So good. I'm already playing this in 4/4. Ah.
No more believing, just deceiving.
Slow 4/4? What does that mean? I can't just slow down the BPM of this song unless I turn down on the video itself. That is not how time signatures work. Just warp time. Now, you were already here. You were not streaming. No, no, thank you. This song is very good. Also, congratulations to, I believe, Kiara's 4-year anniversary, if I'm not mistaken. Ooh! Oh, yeah, dude. That's such a good freaking track. Daggone it. Thank you very much. Actually, that was my suggestion. What? Oh, my goodness. Also, hold on one second. Ooh, hello. This one's nuts, bro. Oh! Thank you to the 47 on Tower Yoke. Oh, it's all good there, Chains. Thank you for the $5 super chat. Appreciate it. You're all good, no worries at all. That's hard to follow, wow. It's good, I'm just like, I'm bad. Not bad. Whoa, this is tough. Oh! Oh yeah, trickster! Yeah? Wee! Dude, what the frick?